Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. I get ready on Hi guys, no concentration. Masa Selka. My name is Femi. Here I do all things for lifestyle and beauty, and right now I'm getting ready to. Where are we gonna picture? I'm getting ready to head to a back to school event. Okay, and this is the dress I want to wear. So we are doing a back to school look, except none of it is school uniform. Okay, so that's what we're doing. So I have my old kitty going on here. Her. So we are going easy on makeup because it's supposed to give student, right? This is the dress I'm gonna be wearing. Underneath, I'm gonna wear. What am I gonna wear underneath? This is unnecessary, but I feel like I wanna bandana my situation here. I have a situation that needs to be bandanaed. I know it's gonna give naughty school girl vibes, but it's whatever. I'm here for it. Let me wear my shirt. I have two outfits to choose from. I'm gonna show you guys. I feel like wearing the other one first, then we can come back to this. Yeah, I think that makes sense. Let's wear the other one 1st. This is where we are. Okay, I have these pants on, and then the shirts. I'll show you guys what we're gonna do on top. I'm trying so hard to make this look the way I want it to look. I hope it listens. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Oh, it actually looks cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. Turns out my mic wasn't recording. So here is outfit number 2. That is if I were to wear the shirts and the pants and the tie without that item. So I am gonna tilt the the camera so that you guys are able to see the outfit, because I think it's just kind of too close. The outfit isn't bad. It's actually giving clean girl, and I like it. I just I thought it was too simple, but I don't do simple, so It's one of the nightmares. Uh, so anyway, this is the third outfit, right? We have this with or without the tie. The tie, but I feel like with the tie, it's already giving I care about school. But oh. I think I can wear both. Okay, hear me out. I can wear both of them. This one and the first one. I wear this one right now, and then when it feels cold-ish, then I wear the pants. It's still in theme. Yeah, it'll still work. And at the same time, I get to wear them the same day.
It's giving us that option.
It's like, what do you mean we planned this last minute? I've been having these clothes, bro. Anyway, I think I need to end this a little bit though. But yeah, even when I tell you, hallelujah, yeah, no, they'll hear the prayers will arrive. The prayers will reach heaven. I need to find the shoes. This is not funny. Let me find the shoes. So these are the shoes I'm gonna be going for. I decided to wear my stockings because I felt like it's probably too short for church. I don't know. I could be judging myself, but yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, so this is us. I'm gonna go with this one. In fact, I'm gonna wear also the first one at some point during the night. Yeah, so I'm gonna be wearing even the tail hoodie. In fact, I might just put it up here for the sake of. Let me see if it makes sense, if it's one on top. Oh! I look like such a cute baby. Oh! I don't know which baby dresses like this, just so bad. Color.
It's giving such memory.
Anyway, you guys, we're gonna end it right here. I hope this was your choice of outfit, because if it's not, then we need to study the things you're wearing. Shade. Anyway, okay, honestly, maybe. Nope, I still think it's shoot outside. Outside or inside, let's do that. Let me know which one we should go for. But anyway, long story short, bye, you guys. See you next week. Don't forget we have Patreon and paid memberships as well.